Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Today we have Mitsubishi Diamante. You see here, and it is LS. The car have some issue. They fix it. They try to do the inspection, and they tell them that there is no communication with the OBD2. So we are going to check. After I did some diagnosis, I was able to communicate. I want to be sure, and also we are going to discuss about the OBD2 communication. What do we need to know about this car? Like, we have connection here, we have OBD2, what wires, what we need to do. There are some main wires that we need to check and be sure that they are working good. But before that, let us try to see if we are able to communicate and diagnose this car. I'm gonna go, this is Virus Edge Snap-on. I like this very, very much for one reason. It has scope in the back, and also it has component test guide, even like wiring diagram. Also, if you want to be in a sure truck, you can get sure truck. Like, if there is any mechanic, if any mechanic working in the car and he fix a problem, you may get some kind of information out of there. Let me go to, here is a direct OBD2. Direct OBD2, you can read about the car, what happened, what's going on, like OBD2 general. So let me try to go here, and this one, start communication. It will try to look for the car, what kind of automatic detection, like it will go in and try to read all the information one by one and communicate with the car. It's just like inspection machine. And it does for 12-volt light duty vehicles and 24 heavy vehicles. I'm trying to communicate with it. It may take some time. I communicate with this one. After I check it, I was able to communicate with this and do the diagnosis and see all the functions. They are fine, beautiful. This one here, he said no active vehicle. I'm not sure if we have a problem with the OBD2 itself. If there is nothing, okay. I gotta exit. I gotta go to Vic scanner now. Exit this. Exit. I wanna go to scanner. He give me, he don't wanna. You know what? I'm gonna exit everything. Cancel this. Remind me later. I'm gonna try one more. The OBD2 connector, it has like a couple of wires. It have only one power and two ground. The pin 4 and 5, they always ground on all cars. If you come here, you look, we count here, this is pin 1, 2, 3 empty. The two black 4 and 5 always, 4 and 5 always communication ground. And the one in the bottom there, you see that one, the red and black is power, full power. Brown and white communication line is supposed to have from 3-4 volt. It can go up and down. And this one also supposed to have voltage, 4 volt, 0 volt, 4 volt, up, sometime go to a little bit higher, but we're gonna read that one later. So I'm gonna go to scanner. I try to do it with the OBD2, it doesn't work, even if I have OBD2 here too. This is Mitsubishi, is here. ID manual. So 2001. This one. Diamante here. 3.5 is correct. Click here, yes. I just want to see if I have communication with the engine. I don't want to clear no code. Code menu. Display code. Ignition is on, as you see. Initialize. Please wait. Cycle key and wait 15, ensure scanner is connected. It doesn't want to communicate. I'm gonna put the key on. Retry. I'm gonna try one more. If it doesn't, it doesn't communicate. So I want to show you. I'm gonna do one thing here together. I see the ABS light is on. I'm gonna come here, pull this one. See, pull this one out. Disconnect this ABS, maybe. Or based on the information that I have it, I diagnose this car, I'm getting power in a place that I don't have to get it. Okay, turn the key off. Let me turn the key on again. No communication. So now let me see. Retry. Communicate. Yes. So what happened is, this car, we don't have no communication at all with this car. As you see before, also with generic, we are not able to communicate. Why? Because the ABS module short out the system. I am getting reading here 10 volt here. I supposed to get at like 4 volt. This also supposed to get like 4 volt. You see this two. This two is the main access. Now you remember before, we are going to read the right information that we're supposed to get. I'm gonna go back. See, there is no code maybe, or there is a code, because I touch the cable here. So I'm gonna go back again. You see now I have code, read code, no codes, thank you. I gotta go back. I gotta go back again. I gotta go back. What we need to do now, look at the generic. This is generic. Monitor readiness. I'm supposed to read generic. Please wait. Monitors. No ready to monitor information available in current cycle. Okay. Let me go to sense, clear it. Because nobody is able to clear the DTC because no communication with the engine computer. But the good news, no check engine light. You see? Fuel test complete, catalytic complete, evap not complete. Misfire complete, component complete, heated not supported, good, secondary air not supported, auto sensor not complete, EGR complete. So that's mean how much we have not complete here. This side not complete is evap only. This side not complete is only one. This car is 2001. I believe some of them, I don't know if that's 2001 or 2. If it's 2000, if 2 monitor is not complete, it's not a problem. If it's, I'm not sure if it's 2001, it's gonna apply for that or not. But now I disconnect the ABS. What is the correct reading of the OBD2 connector? Now I'm gonna come, put my machine here, and then I will show you what you need to get when there is a short. Okay, you see here, I'm gonna disconnect this. This is pin number 1. Gray, oh, sorry. This is gray and red. This is pin number 1. If you measure it, with the ignition on, you're supposed to get 4.6 around this. If I put the ABS module on, okay, now let me start it, how much I'm gonna get. With the car running, please take this note, it's very important. 4 point something with the car running, 4 point something. Pin number 1, gray and red. Now, after number 1, there is nothing. Only 2 ground. You must have ground all the time. 8, 4, and 5 is ground. All OBD2. Now, 6 is empty. In this car, 6 is empty. Number 7 is 5. That means from 5.8 lower 4 to 5, 3, 4, 5. This is a communication line. These 2 are communication line that they must talk. If they are more than that, if I put the ABS back, here it will come up to 12, 13, 14. That's what I realize, what I see. I'm gonna plug the ABS right now and come back. And there will be no communication. Just take the right. I don't want to confuse you. You must have this reading. Anything more than that will confuse the data line and create no communication. That's why when they went to the communication, they tried to communicate with the car. No. So on Mitsubishi Diamante 2002, you must have like less than 5, 0 volts in number 4, 0 volts in number 5, and also here is empty, here is empty. Number 7, you have, you know, like between 3, 4, 5. I don't know why I get 6, but it's okay. I don't have no problem. Number empty. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pin up. 6 is 16 pin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bottom. Now we're gonna go to the last bottom. Empty, empty here. We should get 0. You see, maybe it's talking 0 to 14. You see, it's fluctuating. 0 to 40, 0 to 12. 0 to 12, you see, it's talking. And this line is brown. I mean, yeah, it's brown. Where does it go, this line? This line is go to AC, air condition amplifier, the AC amplifier. Now 7, that's 8, no, hold on, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10, 11, this pin 11. Now, what else? What else we have? After 11, 12 is empty. Green, 13, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I don't see nothing on 13. It's green and it doesn't say nothing. I don't know why. But that 13, that green, 13, light green, is going to cruise control. I don't know when it's gonna get activated, but that's cruise control. After cruise control, next to it there is white and green, and also fluctuating between 10 volt, 4 volt. This car is running, and that is the green one is for, I mean the white and I don't know what that white and green for. Believe me, I don't see any information about it in my data communication line, but forget about that. Now the last one here is a red and black, bottom here corner. This is your power. You must have power here. So what we find is that if you have a voltage on this more than 5 volt, that means you have a short and there is no communication. We disconnect the ABS and everything is good. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Also try to get wiring diagram like Mitchell, On Demand, or Aldater, or Identifix. There is a lot of information, because they give you some kind of guideline. Like I'm reading from this book, and I give you information example. Please have something like this, have things like that to work with. Without a diagram, you cannot get component location, component information to work with it. Without diagram, it's just like you are driving a car, hope to go somewhere without a navigation system. Turn left, turn right, one way, wherever something there. And if there is an accident, you know, some app tell you, look, there's an accident there. Also, if there is a problem or there's technical service bulletin on some cars, you will get an ID and a message say, look, on those cars we have this problem, this problem. Please subscribe, share and like. I know my video is taking longer, but just to explain A to Z. Thank you. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.